Today you are going to learn how to make passive income online. In 2026, if you want to make money while you sleep, while you travel, or while you focus on other things, this video is for you because passive income is one of the most powerful ways to build real freedom. But here's the truth. Passive income is not fast, it is not easy, and it is not magic. Passive income is built. You create something, you invest time, you stay consistent, and then it starts paying you over time. So in this video, I will show you how passive income really works and the best ways to start from zero step by step. Let's begin first. What is passive income? Is money you earn without working every single day. But that does not mean no work. It means you work first and then you earn over time. Now let's talk about the best methods. Method 1: digital products and sell them on platforms like Etsy. Examples: templates, planners, ebooks, designs. You create once and sell unlimited times. No shipping, no inventory. This is one of the easiest and most scalable ways to start. Now, let's go deeper. Why digital products work? Because they solve problems people want: organization, design, productivity. If your product helps them, they will pay. Now, method 2: content creation. You can create content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. At the beginning, you get no money, but over time, your content grows and you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. This is powerful because one video can keep making money for months or years. Now, method 3: affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission. You do not need to create anything. You only need traffic. For example, you make content or write reviews, and when people click and buy, you earn. Now, method 4: online courses. You create a course, teach a skill you already know. Record once, sell many times. This is one of the highest income potential methods. Now, method 5: print on demand. You create designs, upload them, and when someone buys, a product is printed and shipped automatically. You do not touch inventory. Now, let's go deeper. Why this works? Because people love personalized products and simple designs. Sell now. Method 6: investing. You invest money into assets like S&P 500 over time. Your money grows. This is slow but powerful. This is real passive income because money works for you. Now, method 7: build systems. This is advanced. You take something that makes money and automate it. For example, you create content, then you use tools to schedule and scale. Now, let's talk about strategy. This is where most people fail. They try everything the same time and get nowhere. So here's what you do. Choose one method, focus, learn it, improve it, and stay consistent. Once it works, then expand. Now, let's talk about time. Passive income takes time. You will not see results in one day or 1 week, sometimes not even in 1 month. But if you stay consistent, results come. Now, let's talk about consistency. This is the difference between success and failure. Most people quit early, they try for a few days and stop. That is why they fail. You need to keep going, even when results are slow. Now, let's talk about mindset. You need to think long term, not short term. This is not quick money. This is building a system. Now, common mistakes: trying too many things, expecting fast money, quitting early, not learning, and not improving. Avoid these, and you are ahead. Now, let's answer the big question. Can you really make passive income online? In 2026, yes, but only if you build the system, only if you stay consistent, and only if you improve over time. After this, you now understand how passive income works and the best ways to start from zero step by step. In 2026, now you have the roadmap. Now it is your turn to take action because information is not enough. Execution is everything.